Hey everyone, my name is Brian, and today we're going to be making some beautiful steak tacos. Celebrate Taco Tuesday, Taco Friday, talk about whenever you want. So we're going to do a nice little rub, an avocado cream, a Pico De Gallo. So let's fire up that grill and let's grill crazy.
Let's grill crazy.
All right, everyone. So my wife loves steak tacos. This is one of her favorites. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a beautiful spice rub, a little bit of chili powder, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, all that good stuff. We're going to put that on the steak, rub it in nice, let it tack up a little bit, get that grill nice and hot. We're going to sear it to about a medium rare. Going to make a beautiful avocado cream, a fresh Pico De Gallo. We're going to serve these up. My wife is going to love me. Let's take a look at that steak, all right? We're about to get the lowdown on this rub down. So we're going to start with a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon of cumin, about a half a teaspoon of cayenne. We got garlic powder. We got onion powder. Got the beautiful cracked black pepper and some oregano. So we're going to give that a healthy mix. Make sure everything is together. We get two gorgeous looking sirloins. We are going to liberally spread that. Make sure you rub it in, massage it, if you will. And that, you get a nice coating all around. So make sure you get all the edges. All right, those are looking beautiful. Now that this is done, we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. Let those flavors dance on the meat. That gives us just enough time to get these coals going. Let's get it fired up.
Let's go crazy.
All right, so we're going to get this baby fired up. Our trusty Next Grill offset smoker. Again, we're not going to be using the smoker today. We're going to be doing everything straight in this barrel. So let's get the charcoal in our chimney. It's a charcoal waterfall. We're going to grab one of our trusty fire starters, put it right there in the middle. Ooh! Let it burn, let it burn. Let's get this chimney on top. Let that do its thing. About 15-20 minutes, we'll be ready to cook. Hey everyone, if you're liking this video, make sure you click that like and subscribe. Hit that dinner bell to get all of our notifications for all of our awesome content. Now we're going to take a look at this Pico De Gallo. If you don't know what a Pico De Gallo is, it's a fresh salsa. It's not going to be as runny or as processed as you would find in a grocery store. It's going to be all fresh stuff. It's going to be 2 tomatoes that we're going to seed a little bit so it's not as runny, half a red onion. We're going to take a jalapeno. We're going to take the seeds out so it's not as hot, a juice of 1 whole lime, some freshly cut cilantro, some salt, and we're going to get into it. Avocado cream, best way to top your taco, bottom your taco, or wherever you want to put it in the taco. So here's the rundown. 3 avocados, half a cucumber, half a cup of sour cream, juice of 2 limes, about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, Winchester sauce, Worcestershire sauce, W sauce, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful hot sauce made by a local Intergalactic Sauces. This is their Cosmic Coyote. Salt, cracked black. Let's get into it. So these avocados are looking nice and creamy. It's gonna make a beautiful sauce. All you're gonna do is just take it on out, put it in your blender. Some people would use a spoon, some people would use a fork. I feel most comfortable using tongs. So nice thing about a blender is all you really have to do is just break it down slightly, because that is going to do all the work for you. All right, best thing about tongs, use the clean part. So like I said, about half a cup. Oh yeah, that's going to be real good. We're going to roll 2 limes, really get that juice out. Now these bad boys were slipping a little bit on me last time, so we're going to use our trusty juicer. Gonna throw that in there. Oh, look at that. Just don't stand too close and don't get it in your eye. I love working with garlic because no matter how many times you wash your hands, you're still gonna smell like garlic for a little while, which is okay. Some people think of it as an aphrodisiac. Those people are weird. We got our Worcestershire sauce. Couple good shakes, boom. All right. Now this is all dependent on how hot you like it. A couple drops in here, get her going. There we go. Generous amounts of salt and beautiful cracked black. Get this on the blender and pulse it, or turn it on and then pulse it. Oh yeah. Best part of it is if your wife's asking you a question, you'd be like, well, I can't, I don't know. The blender. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh, baby. Take a little taste. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be so good on the steak tacos. Speaking of steak tacos, let's get to the grill. All right, so this baby is going. The nice thing about this next grill is we can bring that coal bed right up to the cooking surface so we can get a nice sear on that steak. So that's there, that's hot. Let's get it going. So cook your steak to how you like it. I like medium rare. If you like it medium, that's fine. If you like it medium well, that's okay. If you like it well done, go home. All right, let's get that first flip. Oh, baby. There we go. Oh, that's nice, caramelized on there. Oh, that's so good. Like I said, I like a nice medium rare, so that means 2 to 3 minutes each side. So that's side, 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 because you always want nice grill marks. Even if you're cutting it up like we're doing for tacos, you're gonna see the steak before you cut it, and you want to impress anyone who's watching. And there's always somebody watching. These steaks are done and looking great. We're gonna let these sit for about 5 minutes, get those juices back in there. Once they're done, we're gonna start assembly. All right, these are looking amazing. So now, the only thing left to do, find a friend with some beer, invite him to have some tacos, and enjoy yourself. Rito, get on up here.
I brought you a beer.
Hey, 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 that's what I'm talking about. All right, friends. Clinky.
Thank you.
Oh, let's get into this. I'm gonna squirt just a little more fresh lime on there. Really wake up those flavors. All right.
Oh, these are looking fresh.
These are looking fresh. Clinky.
Okay.
Mmm. Mmm.
Flavor explosion. Man.
I'm speechless. That is amazing. You need to try these recipes. And if you try them, make sure you share it with us. We want to see what you're doing out there. We want to see you enjoying this food, just like we're enjoying this food. So, until next time, if you're going to grill, grill crazy.